morning, Girdhari. Why are you afraid? I think you have listened about the ghosts. They are living in ruins.
You are absolutely right, Bhagwan Das. I have heard about ghosts many times in our village, but I did not see that.
Different things are happening in our village. Many expensive things are stolen from our homes. This is a very big problem.
Did ghosts steal something from your house?
No. But why?
I am afraid before some days. I have bought golden couple of bangles for my wife, but it has been stolen at night. Oh no, I forgot to tell you. I have lost my sewing machine.
Villagers are saying that some voices are coming from that room.
Wait. I will tell more. Yesterday when I was coming from my field, I was passing from that ruin. I found some horrible voices coming from that. It was dangerous.
Arey Shantiram, where are you going?
Mukhya ji, he has gone.
Then what will we do? Should we leave the village?
No. I think we should call a great saint, Brahmanand. He is a big entity, and I am sure ghosts will run. Bhaiya, we should go to Mukhya ji. Yes, you are right.
Ghosts are very dangerous.
You are absolutely right. I don't think Kaka ghosts are living there. In my opinion, they are big thieves.
Let's go for a walk with Rajiv and Vijay.
And I also don't think that they need treasure. They are following someone command. Yes, I don't think they are really ghosts. I have told them many times.
You are thinking that you are the most knowledgeable person in this village. We know. We didn't go to school, but we are your elders. We know what to do. Hey Shantiram, come, let's join us.
Okay, I am coming. Let's go.
But Rajiv, what do you think about the voices which come from ruin at night?
They are only ghosts.
But Kaka, ghosts did not have to see.
Okay, now tell me about the flames which are seen at midnight.
Maybe they smoke cigarette?
Okay, if you don't believe so, we will soon come out from this problem. We are calling a great saint, Brahmanand.
Okay, bye. Vijay, we will see what is real matter. What is happening in our village? No, I will never come with you. I know ghosts are very dangerous. I also see them in television. Don't worry with you. I will be with you. We will crouch from the wall of ruin and see what is happening. After all of us saying, I will come with you. Okay, so we will meet at night. Rajiv, please be careful and come with all preparation. I don't want to die. Okay, Mai. Rajiv, where are the ghosts? They already knew about us. That's why they didn't come today. Okay, please be silent. Okay, Bhaiya, what is the time now? It's 12:30 o'clock. The group of the ghosts will come soon. Listen these voices. They are coming here. Okay, be quiet. Today I got a very big treasure from the Sarpanch's home. Balak, he was in deep sleep. Okay, stop now and don't waste the time and switch on the tape recorder. I switched on the tape recorder. First, distributing will take place. Distribution we will learn after some time. Now just tell me what will we do now? Because we stolen all the expensive things from this village. We should go from here. Villagers are calling a great saint. They will do worship. After the next day we will go from here. They will be more hallucinatory related to ghosts.
In the next village, we will make our place in the big ground.
Okay, now it is decided. Now burn the cigarette and distribute our things.
Did you see? Now we should leave this place swiftly. Yes, let's go. So, now what will you say? You are very intelligent. Next morning, we will go to the crime branch.
I have come in the village for catching the thieves. Rajiv and Vijay, you will be soon awarded. Okay, bye Rajiv and Vijay.
Bye.